Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you know, I put these on and I roll the fenders, but it still rubs like crazy. Do you know that the one spot that rubs a lot was the one that I feared the most? It was this one. It was this right here that's rubbing. Look at all these rubbing marks on the tires. And as you can see, it kind of rubbed like half of this clip off already, almost half. So today's episode, we're gonna try and see how we can fix it. Maybe we need to cut that. Maybe we need to cut this tab off so it's tapered like this. And then we have more clearance. So I'm not sure yet, so we'll find out later. All right, I see you guys later. So if you guys didn't know, my shop is open and you can get this awesome t-shirt off my site. The Simply Mod A5 with the lettering in Japanese. Super nice, super comfy t-shirts. And in the back, we have the WRX. This looks so nice, so grab yours at the link below. Alright, so make sure you grab a t-shirt or hoodies off the site to support our channel. And we're almost at 1,000, so hit that subscribe button and we'll back to our fender cutting or fender rolling. I'm not sure yet. We'll figure it out. Alright, I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, first things first, I'm gonna try and see if I can roll this piece out a little bit more before I opt to cut this part. Alright, I think this is the best I can without making this looks like a bump on the car. Right now there's like a slight bump right here. Slightly pulled out a little bit. I think this is as far as I'll go. Looks like I didn't gain much room. Let me see. Take this out. Oh, you can see it rubbed like this much off already. And let me see. Okay. So there's this piece here also. So I might have to cut this part out just a little bit and see if I can gain more clearance on the car. Alright, I have my pen here. Let me get some light in here so you guys can see what I'm doing. So I'm gonna mark it with something straight and see how much I need to cut. I think right here is fine. Like, someone mark it. So that's how much I'm gonna have to cut. Oh, you guys might say, why ruin something that's on the car? That's perfectly fine. Well, this is my car and it's all paid off. So it's mine. I can do whatever I want to it. Yeah, even though it sucks to need to cut something, that's perfectly fine, but I wanted to fit my wheels without rubbing on it. So that's the only reason. And plus, I don't think there's any structure integrity that I will lose by not having this bolt right here. So I might need to cut this off too, since this is part of that thing that rubs on the wheel. Yeah, let's get cutting. Well, I got my Dremel, and one last thing. Safeties first. Let's get cutting. Oopsie. Alright, ran out battery. So let me see. So I cut like this much off already. So I'm gonna go in with the knife and just make this a smoother cut to get rid of the excess plastic burrs. Let's make this smooth. This is looking a lot better. So one thing I still need to do is to maybe cut this off. Yeah, let's go ahead and cut this off. Alright, to show you guys what I did. So this is how much I cut off the bumper piece here. And I'm thinking about cutting off this piece because it is getting into the way. So might as well cut it. I think I need to pull this off a little bit more. Alright. Alright, let's see. It is off. Oh. A little bit more cutting. Let's get the angle. Let's see. It's budging. Okay. I think I know where to go. Cut off this part. should do it. Yep. There we go. Cut off this part. And I might go in just to make it a little bit softer at the edge. And go in with the knife to get that plastic burrs off. I think that's it. Just need to clean this up a little bit better. Oh, let's put this back. Yeah, I think this is it. We cut off that piece. Still kind of rigid. Nothing lost by cutting it off. Hopefully. Maybe it's this gap here. Yeah, I don't like this gap here. Why is it not doing that? Alright, so we're done with cutting the fenders. Now all we need to do is to put the wheels back on and test fit it and see if anything rubs. And then we're gonna do the other side and then we'll do a road test and see if it rubs. Alright, you guys know the drill. How I'm gonna test my rubbing issue is with flours and rice, and I got lots of it in here. Yeah, so it should be enough to test if I'm rubbing on that edge or not. All right. Yeah, I think this will solve the issue. Maybe I need to cut a little bit more on here, but I think this should be good. Like, I got plenty of I think I have plenty of space. This should solve the issue of rubbing. If not, let me know in the link below what I should do. Yeah, if you guys haven't got the t-shirt yet, go ahead and go to the link below and grab yourself a t-shirt or a hoodie to support our channel. And thank you guys for staying with us all the way through. And if I did anything wrong or have any suggestions, leave me a comment in the link below. And make sure to subscribe because we're almost at 1,000 subscribers. And thank you guys for subscribing and watching this. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Remember to subscribe. Bye.